Hi, I am Patrick van der Beer, visual coach, and this is all about NGINX on Ubuntu and trying to get a streaming server. So we didn't install a version of NGINX that actually has already the rtmp module aboard. I like to compile it from GitHub, including the module. So we're going to remove the current version. We installed a simple version, the one that was installed with sudo and then apt install NGINX. This is what we have installed. So to remove it, we're going to actually type in remove over here. And this should remove it, except we like to remove it quite thoroughly. Besides that, what I didn't do yet, it is running currently. So if I do a sudo system control status of NGINX, status NGINX, it is still running. So we have to stop that first. Control Fn end on my keyboard, or Control end if you are your machine, probably, and you have a better keyboard. Stopping it. Okay, so that would be something like just having the stop command over here. Stop NGINX. Ta-da! So now when I do a status, it will tell me it stopped. Good. Now we can uninstall it. So the complete uninstall would be something like this. Let me see. Sudo apt and then purge NGINX. No, I'm not repeating myself. I'm just looking at the commands over here. Common. And also NGINX full with a Y in the end. So let's do that. Unable to locate package NGINX common. Well, that doesn't, I don't care. So common, maybe I did a full install or just a normal install, but it doesn't matter. It did build, read the package list, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's try this without the common then. Oh, that was a typo there. Okay, I got it. Oh boy. So I had a I with a dot in between. If you don't do the right things, you cannot expect to do the right things to happen. So this will purge a lot. And then we're going to also do a sudo apt auto remove, just to have all leftovers removed as well. And that's of course not a capital. Right. What else? Well, the purge removes NGINX with all the configuration files. Auto remove removes any unused dependencies that were installed with NGINX. And now we still have some logs and configuration, maybe additional configurations. So let's have a look in here. Actually, maybe do just a simple command. Let's do a clear command again. And then do a which NGINX. Do I get anything? No, I don't think so. So if I do a sudo remove rf slash this folder that I want to remove, NGINX, seems to work. And then there is also this folder. For a log folder that also wants to be removed. Yeah, works. I'm reading this from a web page I found, right? I just asked ChatGPT to help me a little bit over here. And then there is also a cache, if any. So then this is going to be cache. Right. And if there was any custom folders, then that would be also helpful. So now again, do the which. Ooh. Well, actually, we know already the answer. Let's say sudo which, okay. So I'm pretty comfortable that everything is removed. So let's reboot this machine and then start reinstalling everything from scratch. And don't forget that thumbs up button.